Welcome and be inspired with Dominic. Today we're going to start making this piece, and I say start because it turned out so long that I had to split it over several videos. So this is part one. These are the Monolith Remotes from the TV series Marvel's Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D., which allow you to control, if I don't mix them up, space, time and creation, and who knows what. I hope you find this build inspiring and can take something away from it, and rest assured there will be cultists involved. Didn't mean to do that.
That is a long video. Yeah, is it even worth watching? I'm sure it is. You don't know? Didn't you watch it already? Yes, but I'm living in the moment, so I don't know whether I like it this time around. Why do I even bother? What is that? It looks like a portal. What portal? The portal with the power. Stop it. What power? Stop it. The power of... I said stop it. That is a portal to the fear dimension. Fear dimension? Yeah. A labyrinth made of cheap dust storms and the things you fear. You said labyrinth. Sounds like a cop-out as far as world building goes. It is actually where those monoliths came from in the series. So they want them back? Apparently. Looks like he's testing them. I guess that would be space. And that looks like time. That looks weird. And that must be creation. He could have put a little more effort into that piece though. Looks like the table saw past the fear test. I always thought it was a dangerous thing to work on. Yeah, with sleeves like ours. Almost as bad as the lathe. Yeah. Too safe now. Yeah, we can't have that. Did he just hand it to his sphere? Looks like it. Awesome! Looks like he misplaced a screw. He would have been screwed. Tell me again, why do you have time to watch him instead of actually working? You are watching too. I'm doing opposition research.
Let's try this again. Yes! Right sequence! Sadly, wrong colors. At least 1 out of 3.
What? No portal animation? Maybe the fear grew more powerful, or he grew weary of editing it in.
That's the wrong one. Give it back. Give it back. Right now. Give it back. Good. Give it back.
Love that comedy.
That's a good fear dimension. Oh well, almost.
Our species has roots in bats, as well as some.
Do you think he's prepping for another awesome feat of effect magic?
Frankly, it looks to me like his camera glitched.
Yeah, but what an awesome save! Wait, he isn't finished.
How do you know? Looks pretty well done to me.
But it is a well-known fact that Monolith Remotes need a dedicated place to unfold their full potential.
You mean like a docking station?
Yes, exactly.
A place to put them to harness their full power and bend it to your will.
Yes, that, and so he does not misplace them.
Ah, makes sense. And we do that in the next part of this series. The whole project has gotten a lot longer than I thought, and somewhere at the 30-minute mark I thought it would be prudent to split this video. So you just watched the first part. Make sure to subscribe so you're around and get notified with the bell icon to watch the second and possibly third part. Thank you for watching, and as always, remember to be inspired.